I think this is what we call in the kitty world a hiccup. It shall pass. Okay, I think I am finished. Almost done. Oh, no, this is ridiculous. I am Puss in